Beans and cornbread had a fight. Beans and cornbread had a fight. Beans and cornbread had a fight. Guess who won the fight? The beans.
What you cooking, Roach?
What ya cooking, Roach?
So guys, and welcome to my channel, What You Cooking, Roach. Alright, so today I'm going to be making great northern beans with smoked turkey necks. Alright, now I love me some comfort food. And I used to eat this when I was a kid. This used to be part of our meatless meat night. My grandmother would make us eat, which wasn't bad. So then it was pretty good to me, and it still is good to me. And she would have some cornbread. Hence, that's why beans and cornbread get ready to have a fight. So, but the weird thing is what I do remember when I would eat these beans when I was a kid, I used to put ketchup on them. And now I can't do that, but I don't know why we would put the ketchup on them. I had to ask my brothers and sisters about that one. So you already know. Let's get started. Alright y'all, so bust it. Now, I've had my beans soaking overnight. You want to at least soak your beans overnight, okay? And so that's what I've done. I've gone ahead and done that. And also, I've been boiling my smoked turkey necks as well too. So get them all nice and tender. Halfway there, and then I'll add the beans in with it. And then, but I have to have my turkey smoked. Any smoked meat, it's got to be done enough to where I can eat it and sample it. Let's put it that way, okay? So we're gonna take out all the bad beans because you're gonna have to go through it, all right? So I mean, I'm just gonna throw them beans over here. So you just kind of want to go through the beans, all right, y'all? So that's all I'm gonna do here. I started taking some out, but I wanted to express that, you know, you do want to go through your beans and get the bad beans out, okay? Because actually this was a pretty good bag of beans, so I didn't really have to pull out much. So, but you just kind of want to go through it. And yeah, it's not a bad batch. See, this is what you don't want. You know, you don't want it looking like this here, okay? I don't know why, but that's what my grandma told me. I mean, it's a bean, a bean. It all blend in. I don't think nobody would know the difference, to be honest. But of course, you don't want no weird looking one, I guess. But all right, yeah, this is a pretty good bag that I got here. All right, so we're gonna come back, and I'm gonna show you. We're gonna have cut a few ingredients. You're gonna need a little celery. You're gonna have your seasoning. So I'm gonna show you what we're gonna put in for the beans. All right, I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. All right, now I've gone ahead and I've drained my beans here. You know, you want to drain them, so I got them all drained here. I got an awful lot of beans there, but it's all gonna work out. And we got our celery. That's what we're gonna need. Our celery. And I want to cut that up a little fine, you know, little small pieces. I don't want them too big. And my red onion, I would prefer to have a white onion. I thought I had a bag of white onions, and I was at the grocery store, and I didn't buy it because I thought I had some. But anyway, it's never here or there. But red onion's fine. Bay leaves. I also made my own chicken broth. Whenever I make buffalo wings, I save the tips of my chicken to make chicken broth with them later on. Recipes are needed instead of, you know, using the carton ones, all right? But, you know, there's certainly okay to use cartons one quickly, but I prefer this one, all right? Then I've also had my smoked my smoked turkey necks boiling. They bought that, they're tender, they're there. Trust me, I sampled a few of them. Sample, it's hitting, it's there. All right, so I'm gonna get rid of these tips. I need to saute my onion in a little olive oil, just kind of give it a little flavor, and we're gonna put this all in the pot and get them together. All right, so let's get started. add in a little olive oil. Like I said, we're gonna saute these onions. All right. All right. Saute them babies up. I'm gonna cut a few more because you really want to use the whole onion. All right. Cut up a few more. I know you're tired of seeing me cutting onions, but that ain't what you're here for. But that's what we gotta do. All right. I'm gonna let that saute. Now I'm gonna cut a little more, and then we're gonna get this celery chopped up. Okay. All right. Enough of that. And I'm just kind of give that a good old stirring up there. Right? Yeah, my neck bones is hitting. I don't know why I keep calling them neck bones. I almost want some neck bones or something. These turkey necks. Yeah, I love me some neck bones, some smoked neck bones too. I eat them too. You know, I like to put a little, I don't know about anybody else, but I like to put a little vinegar and hot sauce on them. Same with my ham hocks. I know, ham hocks. I love me some ham hocks too. I can't wait to make my greens next week. And for Thanksgiving, although we're all going to be home just with the family, which is cool. But I don't know about y'all, but it's been 8 months. I'm sick of these guys in my house. I'm the only woman. There's a lot. Alright, y'all see what I'm doing. Alright, I'll be back. And everything's ready to get in there and get going. And start this beans. Because I'm hungry. This is going to be really good today. Alright, for dinner. I'm glad I did this. You know, I just put something together, you know. Sometimes Sunday dinners can be a little elaborate with me. And it's only 3 of us. So, alright, we're going to put this onion in there. Alright, see how it's caramelized, got a little burnt little bits. That's just going to give a little flavor. Alright, put the pot to the side. Alright, I'm going to add in my 1 stalk of celery. I don't know if I said that, but all you need is just 1 stalk. And again, it depends what you make it to. Now, alright, so now this is the broth that I my chicken broth and my turkey neck. I cooked them all together because why not? What's the point? You know, you need the chicken broth for your beans. So might as well. You're gonna add your smoked meat in it, so you might as well cook it all together. Now I make sure I got all those little tips out of there. I don't want to be mixing in them little fatty little ends from the wing tips. Now some people might like that, but it's a little good idea. You know, having little pieces of chicken in it. And I was thinking about that. I was like, it wouldn't be bad. Not at all. All right, y'all. So get these beans and shake them up. Give them a nice little shake in here. All right. Make sure I got all the water drained off of them, which I'm sure I don't, but it'll be fine. We're going to add in our beans, all right? Let's see where we're at first, all right? Because like I said, I put the whole bag in there, so. And I was soaking them overnight. Yeah, got that in there. I may even be able to add in a little more broth to it, all right? Depending on how it's cooking, all right? Okay, so I'm gonna give it a little pinch of this, a little pinch of that. Give a little seasoning in there. Put a little pepper, all right? Put a little pepper. All right, about 2 tablespoons. All right. And then I'm gonna put a little sea salt. I love sea salt. Put a little bit of that in there. About a tablespoon or so. To taste, you know, you're gonna come back to it and see where it is. I'm gonna let it cook for about an hour. So, and like a medium heat, Oh, look at that. I found one of them little. See that? See that? Yeah. I told myself, I said, I don't think I got all of them out, but it's okay. And so we got a big old fat turkey necks up in them joints. Woo! Yeah, I'm gonna be needing some more chicken broth on that. But we're gonna let that cook, all right, y'all? So, like I said, about an hour, we're gonna come back and check on it. And it's still kind of early, but I think I might still make me a cocktail. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. It's 12. It's almost 1 afternoon here on Sunday. All right, I'll see y'all later. All right, y'all. It's been like 3 hours, and I knew it was gonna take a little bit for these beans to get done. All right, and I done had a long weekend, y'all. I'm tired. I can't take it no more. My grandson's still there. He wearing me out, but you know, I love him anyway. So I'm gonna put a bowl together. I'm tired. We're gonna see. I already know it's good. And then I also gonna put a little ketchup in it too. Remember when I was talking about that ketchup? Yeah. Go back and revisit that. Here he comes. Here comes that boy. I hear him in the background, y'all. I need a break. I'm gonna put a bowl together. All right, y'all. I'm gonna sample this northern beans with my smoked turkey necks, and I'm telling you, it just sparked nostalgia. It just brought back my childhood. All right, on this one. So I didn't already. Sorry. I got a little ahead of myself. So I didn't put my cornbread in there. But remember when I was talking about that ketchup? I'm gonna put a little ketchup on the side. I ain't gonna get crazy. But like I said, we used to put ketchup in these beans. And I don't know if our grandma told us to do that, but I just remember it's always been good. And I'm gonna go back. This one take me back. Here we go, y'all. A little ketchup. Man, just like I remember. I miss my granny, y'all. You know, she passed away a few years ago. She was 92 years old, y'all. She moved to Arizona. Oh my God, this is so good. She'd be so proud of me right now making it. Oh, God. I'm making them. All right, y'all. I'm done. I give y'all see. I'm done had a long weekend with my grandson. I'm exhausted. See y'all next weekend. What you cooking, Roach? Peace.